Superior Preference Permanent Hair Dye Kit. For gorgeous, fade-defying hair color with dimension, look no further. We pair our gel hair dye formula with Care Supreme Conditioner with Shine Serum to help maintain color vibrancy and provide silk and shine. Fade-Defying Hair Color. Superior Preference hair color kits have been our gold standard in hair dyes since 1973. There are over 50 shades to choose from, so you can find the perfect shade for you, from luminous red to cool ash blonde to deepest black. L'Oréal Permanent Hair Color. L'Oréal Paris Hair Color comes in multiple formulations and styles to deliver long-lasting color, from fade-defying Superior Preference, to bold, stylish Feria, and gray coverage from Excellence Crème. Long-lasting hair color. Get beautiful color from L'Oréal Paris Hair Color, permanent, semi-permanent, temporary hair color, and root cover-up. Cover gray hair, highlight, go bold with bright color, or even try an ombre hair color. L'Oréal Paris Innovation. We are a total beauty care company that combines the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in hair color, hair care, hairstyle, skincare and cosmetics. Luminous Hair Color. Our gold standard of luminous color uniquely blended to give multi-dimensional color. Shine System. Formulated with golden camelina oil, antioxidant vitamin E and a UV filter for silky hair. Long-lasting hair color. Fade-defying for up to 8 weeks. Made with high-tenacity dyes. Color that lasts. Expertly crafted. In over 50 luminous shades, so find your own signature color. Top reviews from the United States. Natural results. Love this hair color, but it can be drying on the scale. I recommend using the conditioner and hair treatments, if dryness appears or is consistent. Love the nature look from this hair color.